Hello, and welcome home to 137 Mackey Mine Road in Idaho Springs. I'm Jacob Trimman with Keller Williams Advantage Realty and the Anderson Alliance team. This property features expansive acreage, a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, completely off-grid property, very private, very scenic. Let me show you inside. My favorite feature is the expansive acreage and the beautiful views. What was yours? Again, this is Jacob Trimman with the Keller Williams Advantage Realty and the Anderson Alliance team. I would love to arrange a private showing. Please reach out to me at your convenience to arrange that. Talk to you soon. Thank you.